Hey guys, Rich Basia, your YouTube vlogger and creator here. Today I want to share some information with the new YouTubers out there who are thinking about starting a channel. And I came across this YouTube website over here, and I just want to explain a little stuff about it. And hope we can keep this video as short as possible, because I know you guys are busy and I don't want to take too much of your time. So I will drop the link below, okay, in the comment section, so you can check it out at your own leisure. As you can see up here, the title over here is "Everyone to How YouTube Works," and then it goes on to say, every day millions of people come to YouTube to be informed, inspired, or just have fun. Over time, questions have come up about how YouTube works, so we created this site to provide some answers and explain what we're doing to foster a responsible platform the users, creators, and artists who make up the community can rely on. Now, when you come up here, it says over here commitments, and you hover over the topics over here. You're going to get a pull down menu, and you're going to see some more stuff over here. That's the commitment, and then the product features. Okay, you can read more into that. They're all active hyperlinks. When you click them on, it'll take you to another window. Here's the user settings, and the rules and policy, and the progress and impact, and then you got the resources over here. Okay, this here is a clip. Here's a video clip here. It's roughly a little over 2 minutes. I checked it out. It's pretty good, very informative, very brief, but it gets to the point. And then over here, it'll talk about our commitments. All right, discover what we're doing for our community, making YouTube safer. Here's some more titles they're gonna have over here. Topics, I should say: managing harmful content, preventing bias, finding misinformation, curbing extremist content, standing up to hate, supporting political integrity, foster child safety, sharing revenue, respond to COVID-19. And then over here it says making YouTube more secure, and it says protecting user data, safeguarding copyright, promoting digital well-being. Now that the top part, this one here ain't the video, it's over here. I'm sorry guys, it's right over here. I don't want you guys to get confused. It had me like that when I first opened it up. Okay, and then you can check it out. Okay, just what we talked about over here. They got a little more, I think, here, right? Yeah, the more product features. I think it's a little different, right? And they got over here YouTube search, recommended videos, news and information, monetization for creators, YouTube Live, and then it's got the user settings, the privacy controls, ad sayings, so on and so forth. Again, I will drop the URL, which I said the link down below in the comment section, and you can check it out at your own leisure. Okay, and then again they have some more here, our progress and impact. You can read more into that there. And then at the bottom, of course, they have other stuff here for you guys to check out. These are all active hyperlinks. If you look at the products, you got YouTube Kids, YouTube Music, YouTube Originals over here. It says YouTube Podcasts, and so on and so forth. Explore, check it out. And again, this is for the new YouTubers out there. Okay, so if you get a chance, check it out. And I think it'd be very helpful. Whenever I come across information I think is going to be helpful to you guys out there, especially new YouTubers, I will post it on my YouTube channel. And I also want to say, before I close this video out, I want to say thank you to all the new subscribers who recently subscribed to my channel. It's greatly appreciated. Hope you like the content and you come back for more. And as I always like to say in closing my videos out, if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or you already have an established YouTube channel, I'm wishing you guys all the best of luck, the best success. Keep putting those videos out there, and those 5 things I tell people in my videos when it comes to creating a video for your YouTube channel: keep it real, keep it original, let your channel grow organically, and don't forget good titles and thumbnails, guys. Do those 5 things and your channel should start to grow. It's going to take time. It's not easy, but it will happen. And I know this because it's working for me. And if it's working for me, it's going to work for you guys. So thanks again for everything. I appreciate you stopping by and checking it out. And I hope to see you guys again. And lastly, if you like this video or any of my other videos, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you want to be updated to when I post new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. This is Rich Basia signing off. Talk to you guys the next time. Bye bye for now.